Hi guys, it's Lissa and Mila. Mushka is taking a nap. So I have Mila with me today. You want to sit here? I am Sporty Spice today. I'm here because I got a doll today for my collection and I'm excited to open her. So I decided to do it on video from Hairdorables. So look how cute this art is. The box and the back of the box. You have 6 to collect in this series. There are 6 surprises inside as well besides the doll. And this is, you know, she's hair amazing, so it's all about the hair too. But I chose Noah. This is Noah because I don't really have a doll with blue hair, and also I love her style. I love her sassiness and her, you'll see the outfit why I'm in love with her. But you can also get, so here's Noah. You can also get Dee Dee, Callie, Willow, Harmony, and Bella. And I think I want Bella and maybe Willow. But anyway, so this is the beautiful box that it comes in. And it's supposed to act like a dressing room. So she has this side will be the surprises, I think. So let's go open this together. And it says, Noah, bigger hair, still don't care. That's her motto. So this is, let's see, hashtag Hairdorables to find your style. This is the side of the box. I mean, the whole box is amazing. Amazing. This really is not a nice box. I'm trying to find out, is this, let's see here. 2020 Just Play LLC. So this is Just Play. Love this doll. Anyway, let's get into opening her. So I think I got my little box cutter that I talked about. I got on Amazon. Tiny, very light and sharp. So it looks like there's some tape around here. Okay, so look, let's see. Oh, it's Velcro. Okay. Oh, so this plastic, this is how you get it. So this plastic comes off. So it's just a little plastic here. Okay, let's just get that off. I don't know. All right, so once you remove that plastic, it opens up with the Velcro here. And you have like a little window, and here she is on this side. Look how cute. And then you have Noah here. And then this opens up, ta-da, like a little dressing room. And here are the surprises in these little contain boxers here. And this opens up, and it's like a runway. Let's see if we can do this. Instructions. Look, it's a runway. You can pose your doll. Have her walk the runway with her different styles. That's very cool. So let's take out our doll and see her up close. And I love this little runway. So you just remove this plastic. I think there's tape on that. Oh, comes right off. And Mila gets a little nervous, so she's like running for high. Okay. Mila, but you're behind me, baby. Oh, don't be scared, mommy. No, don't be scared. I got Mila when she was only 8 weeks old, when they're available to be sold, I guess. And in Brooklyn, New York. And she had that personality already. She was very shy. I don't know. I just was drawn to her, I guess, because that's how I was when I was a kid. And I thought she would change, but she never changed. She's just afraid of everything, and so no one else owned her before me. I got her as a baby, and so I don't know why she's like that. Hi, what do you need? And she has Mushka to keep her company, so she has a little sister to hang out with. Anyway, okay. So it's just like little rubber bands on each body part. So just remove the rubber band or cut through it. And then in the back, so, okay. Oh, and around the neck, that I will snap. That's why this is so good, so tiny and cute. And just be careful not to cut the doll or her hair. Her fabulous Hairdorables hair that's already coming out of the package. And there's some blonde in it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, I already can tell it's really super soft. And what is... Oh, don't want to cut her. Being very careful. Okay, is that something I can do in the back? Just rip her right out. Okay, so here she is. This is Noah. Now look how fabulous she is. First of all, obviously her hair. So she has this fabulous hair. She's articulated in where her head moves, and her elbows, I'm sorry, her shoulders, her elbows, oh my God, her elbows, and her wrists. So you can just like, oh my word. Oh, I'm gonna faint. Anyway, and her legs, from hip, it moves, the knees move, and the feet do not. So they're just, and look at the feet like that curved. So they arched. So it's really about the arms imposing her. And she has the cutest face. I don't know if you can see her face. This light is like, you see her? She's really pretty. And she comes with sunglasses. Obviously they come off and you can put them on her. There you go. So we know that surprise is not going to be in the box. So let's see what we got, because she's missing some shoes here. And this outfit, look at this. It has some, this is embroidered. Really cute. And they're like, what do you call them? Wide leg, bell bottom. And the shirt is beautiful. I feel like I'm going on vacation. I think that's why I love her, because I love going on vacation. I love going to Puerto Rico, see my family. And she is here with this fabulous vacation outfit with her fabulous, fair amazing hair. Hair amazing rather. Okay, so Mila, it's fine. Let me get this out of the way. Okay. So this opens up, like I said, and you can probably rip the box, because I'm not gonna play with this, but it really is cool. If I were a kid, I would love the runway. So here's the box. So let's see what's in here. So it says box 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're discarding everything like that. Discard. Okay. So we just push it down or pull it out, and there's a surprise inside. Ooh, this is so exciting. I love doing stuff like this. Let's see what we have. Okay. I don't know if there's a chair strip or not. I'm just going to cut through it. So let's do this. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. These are earrings. Wow. Just when I thought she was fabulous already, look at this fabulosity. Oh, Noah, you have the best earrings. So you just put them in. So let's do that. Wow, that's cool. They're like little tassels. I have earrings with tassels like this. Oh my gosh. You don't think that, you know, that because she's so colorful and everything, that maybe she doesn't need anything else. But I gotta tell you, these earrings, if you can get them in, really add to the outfit. I may have to fix that hole in that ear. I don't know, it's kind of thick. It'll get bent. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, so look how she looks with the earring though. It's really, really cool. So I'll fix that later. So let's see what else we got in box 2. Okay. Sure we'll find some shoes soon. Okay. See. Yeah, and here they are. Oh, and there's a couple of surprises, so don't throw your bag away too quick, because you may find more surprises. It's a hair barrette. It's a headband, I think. Or a choker, because it connects this way. So that's pretty small if you were to, it's probably a choker. Oh, it could be a belt, because her waist is really, really tiny. Yeah, I'll play with that later, but I think you can put it on there as her belt. Okay, so that's good. All right, so she has a belt, and look at these shoes. How cool are they? like pink and gold. They're like wedges, but super high. Really cool. I am a shoe person. I have some amazing shoes I love. Okay. And they go right on. So let's see with the shoes. Okay, so she's got her shoes. So there she is with her shoes. Sideways. And to the front. She's almost ready to go. Get that earring and that belt on later. Okay, Mila, you running away? Oh, she's going under the covers. Okay, all right. Good. Okay, do your thing. Okay, so I have a big bag in this one. These also, I believe, come with a stand. I might have discarded the stick by accident. I'll get that in a minute, but anyway. Pretty sure they do. I hope so. So, open this bag. Oh, well, of course, she has to have a purse. So it's like a lemon wedge because she's going on vacation, and that's, oh my God, it makes me feel even more. And because her elbow bends, she can just, yes, she's ready. La chica is ready. So cute. Okay. And let's see on the fourth one, we're down to the last one. What could possibly be in here? And I think there is a stand, so I have to get this stick. But anyway, so not in here anywhere. Okay, so there's the last bag. And just cut through it. Tear it. Oh, yep, there is a stand. I have to find the stick. So here's the stand. What else does this come with? Oh, okay. So this has a few surprises. So, oh, this is for the stand as well. To hook onto her waist. And here's a hairbrush. Look at that one. This is Rolly. I've never seen one like that. That's really cool. I mean, in person I have, but not on dolls. And you know what you do? Because you're brushing her hair with a brush like this, you twirl it. And you can keep her wavy curls. So, just be careful because some of it came out. And I'll just cut through that. So, here she is. Fabulous Noah. I absolutely love her. I don't know if I'm going to get the other ones, but I'm going to see. Because I'm more into the, well, anyway, I love Blythe and Paula Reina, so I wasn't sure if I was going to do like this Barbie style kind of size and body type, but these new ones, I've never been like a Barbie kind of a collector. My daughter had a lot of them, and unfortunately, I don't know, we gave them away or whatever, and I wish I had them now to look through them. But so what I have is these new things that I'm seeing out there that I really love, like the Na Na Na, the Poopsie Surprise. They're super cute. So I really love these. And I have a Wonder Woman and a Dorothy and some other stuff. But anyway, so here she is. This is Noah. So we're waving goodbye with my fabulous sunglasses. I love her. I really do. And she's good to pose and take pictures with. So she's going to go, ta-da, bye. Bye, everyone. God bless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thank you.